In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off chat and spaces on your Google account. You can simply remove the chat and space section on your Gmail account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Gmail. This is the chat section and this is the space section. To remove these sections, you will have to tap on these three lines right here. Then scroll down onto your settings. On the settings page, tap on the option of chat right here. You will have to disable this option off. Tap on turn off and you will be returned to the inbox when you make this change. That's how easy it is to turn off your chat section and space on your Google account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.